Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to hide your following list from public view on Tumblr. So the first thing I'll do is, unfortunately there actually isn't a built-in feature on Tumblr that allows you to completely hide your following list from public view. So your followers or anyone visiting your profile can always see who you're following. However, here are a few strategies you can consider to make your following list less prominent or less easily accessible. 1. You can customize your theme. If you have a custom theme, you might be able to modify the HTML or CSS to hide or minimize the display of your following list. This will require some technical knowledge though. Next, you can limit public access. You can adjust your privacy settings to limit who can view your profile and posts. This won't hide your following list entirely, but it can reduce the number of people who can see it. Next, focus on your content. Instead of focusing on your following list, try to shift the attention to your own content. Create high quality posts, engage with your followers, and build a strong community around your blog. You can also use a separate account. If you're concerned about privacy, you could consider creating a separate Tumblr account for personal use and keeping your main blog focused on your interests or content. Remember, the Tumblr is a social platform and sharing your interests and connections with others is a natural part of the experience. However, if you're uncomfortable with the level of visibility your following list has, these strategies can help you manage your privacy while still enjoying the platform. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.